Oh, muted. Okay. Hello, Arian.
Hi, sir.
Okay. So today we gonna exercise analyzing the data again.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna give you the link of data set. COVID. Country vaccination. Country vaccination. Here we go. Okay. There you go. So I put it on chat. You can see it in several seconds. It's still loading. And while waiting, we can open Google Colab. Okay, make a new data set.
And that's
Yeah. So we're gonna start with 3 steps. Okay. The first one is data preparation, which is consists of 3 steps. Data prep. First, load to df. Second, we're gonna explore the data. Third, we're gonna deal with null data. Okay.
okay.
Is it new folder? Is it new project? You continue the project?
Or is it new or
New. Make a new one.
okay?
What library that you need to put?
Uh,
Still loading.
okay.
There you go. Okay. Okay. Tell me how many row and how many column that exists in that data. Okay. Now, what is the first column? Country,
Country.
country code, date, and total vaccination. Okay. So tell me, can you show me the number the smallest and the maximum number of total vaccinations?
positions.
Yes.
The min and max.
Yeah, minimum and max.
Mm. Mm. Dot max it.
Yeah. How much is that?
40 million. No, it's
More than
445 million.
okay.
Oh, 1,400,000,000.
1 billion per
Yeah, 1
day.
billion something.
Okay.
I don't know. It's the maximum rate. 1, 4, 5, 6, 5, 5, 7. Yeah, 1 billion.
Okay. Minimum? Nah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got to be careful about the maximum data, right?
Yeah.
If per day one country can vaccinate 1 billion of people, that's gonna be
Impossible.
impossible. So we have to analyze the data. So what does the total vaccinations mean? Can you guess?
And the total amount of people that are vaccinated, I guess. Per
The
day.
sum. Yeah, maybe that's
Effect in the
possible.
total.
Mhm. Okay, how about now we're gonna people fully vaccinated. Okay, let's read the column one by one. Let's see the column one by one. We have total vaccination, people vaccinated, people fully vaccinated, daily vaccination. Nah, okay. Let's see daily vaccinations. Okay, find the minimum number of daily vaccinations and the maximum the minimum and maximum of daily vaccination.
And 2, 2 million.
Divide that by million.
22 million.
22 million.
Yeah,
Still possible though, 22 million.
I guess.
Okay. Okay. Now, what if I want you to find the minimum, the maximum, the average, the median, modus of daily vaccinations? Yeah, it's pretty much the entire statistical calculation, right? That we would like to know. Have I told you about this?
Which one?
Minimum, maximum, mean, median, modulus with only one function.
So,
Nah,
I don't think so.
nah, okay. So we can use describe. So a dot describe.
Oh, yeah.
Have you learned this?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
Belum. Okay. So what is the maximum number again?
This.
Nah. So do you know what does it mean? So
Maybe.
yeah. So the last letter there, E plus 07, could be mean like this. The number and times 10 plus to the power of this number. Let's say this one is 7, right? Nah, so this number 2.2 blah 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 times 10 to the power of 7. Okay, that means that's gonna be 22 million something, right? What is the average?
Yes.
Now, okay. So to make it easier, can we divide this by 1,000? Let's see. Yes. Let's see. Okay. Divide that by million so we can see it in million. Okay, thankfully we are Indonesian. We are used to this number. Okay, what is the average daily vaccinations?
Yes.
So how much is it?
Uh, 116,000.
Yes, 116,000 per person, right? Okay. Oh, wait.
I guess.
Yeah. Because this one is 22 million, right? You said?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, correct. So 116,000 people is vaccinated per day. Okay. The maximum is 22 million. Minimum, so we will not get negative, right?
Yeah.
Nah, okay. And now, how do we see the entire data so that we can spot how many missing data? So you can scroll up. Now, when you scroll up, you see that NAN.
Yeah.
Now, this means the data is
Not available.
not available. NAN, what is that stand for?
Not a number.
Not a number. Okay. So that not a number. How do we deal with this number then? Oh, but
I don't
before
know.
that, before we dealing with that, let's see how many missing data in total vaccination, how many missing data on people vaccinated, and so on. Now, how do we do that?
The sorry. Yes. I don't know.
Value counts. I wanna
Schedule.
see your ways to do that first for several
Which
minutes.
number? It works.
Yeah, let's begin with the daily
Never
vaccinations.
mind.
Yeah. It's hard, right?
Yeah.
So it has this number of row. So can you imagine that's
What?
too much, right?
Yeah.
No. Okay, so it's the same. It's same as describe. So we have another function to spot how many missing data that we have. Now, info, a.info. Okay, so in total, we have how many rows?
It's 31,055.
500, right? 31,500. And let's see again. We only have this number of non-null. So that means
Yeah.
there is several data, which is maybe around 100 to 200 data that is missing, right? Nah. Okay, so that's for the daily vaccinated. How about the entire column, the all column? So total vaccine. So we would like to know total vaccination, how many missing data, people vaccinated, how many missing data, people fully vaccinated, how many missing data, and so on. Now, the way we use this, okay, scroll down where you using describe function. Now, we use this on one column, right?
Yeah.
We can also use this on the entire DF, the entire data frame. So it will automatically sort it the numerical data only. Okay. Total vaccination. So can you see, scroll up? Can you scroll up? It doesn't put ISO code and date there, right?
Yeah.
So it will automatically filter the numerical data only. So using the described data, I want you to put the number and the scale of millions. So it's more readable. Okay, good. By the way, I would like to show you something. You see that it still have a lot of comma there, right?
Yeah.
We want to make it easy for us to read the data. Okay. So, do you know how to only take the first two decimal? So, example, this one is 0.65, right? Yes, and 2.
Huh? Sure.
Yes, 2 decimal.
It work.
Okay, if it doesn't work, try to use NumPy.
The NumPy one.
Okay. New cell. MP dot what was that again? NP dot count. Yes. And I don't think we use that. Yeah. Open bracket. Put the data, comma 2. Does it work? It worked, right?
Yeah.
No. Okay. But some data missing, but that's okay. Scroll right. Let's see some data. Yeah, that's not effective. How about 100,000? Make it in the scale of 100,000. Yeah, or we gonna have two version then. This one is the scale of million. Yeah, and the other one, the real scale, the actual scale. Okay, so we have two version. Yeah, because if we want to see the total vaccinations per hundreds, we see the data from here, right? No, or even you can just see this data. And okay, now do this. Yeah, find how many number that is missing in each column.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we replace
Each
A
column.
with, yeah, we replace A with the
There is
data frame.
always data frame.
Data frame dot info. Nah, okay. So everything here, can we see that this is object? Object is string, yeah. In Pandas,
Yeah.
object is string. Nah, so as you can see that we have date here.
Yeah.
But turns out the date here is just an empty string.
Uh-huh.
Nah, so actually for this one, we supposed to change this to the other data type. So there is one data type that related to time, date time. It called date time. Okay, so we have float, we have object, and we also have date time. Now,
Mhm.
but let's see. Um, can you tell me how many missing data in column people vaccinated?
Mhm.
Around almost half of it, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Nah, okay. So the next thing that we were gonna do is we're gonna replace the date column here, or
Mhm.
even make a new column. Make a new column down here later,
Mhm.
which consists of date time data type. Nah, so how
Okay.
do we do that?
Mm. When was it?
Mm, okay, so never mind. Before that, we need to deal with the missing data. We haven't deal with the missing data. Now, so we have a bunch of missing data there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The function to fill the data, to fill the missing data is new cell,
Mhm.
uh, data frame name, dot fill na, yeah, open bracket. Now, we put the value of the data that we would like it to replace. Now, so now I'm gonna tell you that because the minimum data that we seen earlier is 0, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. But you got to be careful. Not all data, not all the missing data can be replaced by 0. Okay.
Uh,
Now in this case, we're gonna replace the missing data with 0. Okay. But sometime you can just keep this in mind that we can replace the data with the average. Yeah, we can also replace the data with median, with modulus. Now in this case, we're gonna replace the data, the null data, with 0. Country data 0. Okay, you can run that. Now, does it affecting the original database, the original data frame?
maybe.
Okay, how do we check that?
Uh, oh,
I mean,
yeah.
is the original data frame
Mm.
change, or
I don't think so.
okay?
Mm.
If you sure like that, if you sure that was your theory, nah, country facts, nah, it's still
Yeah.
there, yeah. So the
Uh,
original data frame still safe, unless you put it on the variable again. You
yeah.
save that into variable again. Yes, we're gonna do that. Mm-hmm. Nah. Okay, so info. Do we still have missing data?
No.
No, right? All of them is now the same. Okay,
Yeah.
let's deal with that date column. Okay. Um, nah. So sometime in the future, that might be useful to plot the data.
Wait, hold up, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sorry.
Okay. So sometimes in the future, it's gonna be beneficial when we can plot the data um, in a range of time. What I mean is, we can see the data movement per day. We can see the data movement per week. We can see the data movement per month and also per year, right?
Yeah.
So that case, we're gonna split this. As you can see that the date column consists of three of them. It consists of the date, consists of the month, consists of the year, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What make it separated?
This
Yeah, that sign.
dash.
Okay. So scroll down. Take only the date column. Okay. And run it. Okay. So we have the data. We have only the date data there. Now
Yeah.
we can also split this into a new column in not replacing it, but we're gonna add later, right?
Yeah.
So dot str dot split. That's split open bracket. No, what make it separated?
Right? Oh,
Yeah, that one.
Yes.
With make it as a string. Okay, run it. Now it's separated into a list, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can have another parameter, expand equals to true. True.
Oh, true.
True. Okay, now it automatically separate the number, separate the data into new columns, right? Now save that data into B, let's say. The next question is, how do we combine those data now with the original, not the original, the data that we have been modified? Yes, after we deal with the null data.
I don't know.
Okay, maybe you can stop share. Okay, but before that, I need to show you this. Let's start with dictionary. Remember that data frame built with the foundation of dictionary, right?
Yep.
So we're gonna have this dictionary, which is simple. Student 1, a bit. Student 2, and Z. Now, so when I print dictionary 1, I can get all of them. If I just want to take the student 2, yeah, this is the same way for us to get the column name, right? The entire column value. Now, so let's say student class A. It's gonna be a bit Korean. And student class B will be Azar and Alam. Now, so this is what we do when we want to take the entire column on the data frame. Right? Student. Yeah. Okay. Both work with dictionary and data frame. Now, so let's say, there is also student class C, let's say, which we don't put here, right? And we can just put the value here. Dina and Dono. Now, when I print out dictionary 1, the class C is there, student class C is there. Now, so it's also the same as this. Now I'm gonna use this data frame. This data frame have 1, 2, 3 column, right? Now I'm gonna generate random number, 20 random number, np.random. So I'm gonna random as integer 1 until 10, size of 20. Okay, now we're gonna save this data to new data. So the way we put this is the same as this. Now, my df, and then put the column name, let's say A equals to new data. Now, if we print out my df now, it's gonna be consists of new data. This one. Now, so you have but at your case you have 3 column, right? Now, so you can put it one by one. Let's say the first one, year. Now, your df, which column? Is it the first one or the second one or the third?
Which one? The date?
Yeah, the date.
Date is 1.
Nah.
Wait, no, it's 2.
2. 1 then.
2.
Oh, 2. Last one. No, okay. So you can try this, okay?
Oh, year.
Yeah,
Year is 0.
Year is 0, okay.
Year, it's the American one. Forgot it.
Okay, try that. Share screen.
So,
B. Oh, no B. New cell.
so how do yeah.
So the original data frame name Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Year. No. Where do we gonna take year from date?
B.
Oh, B.
B.
B0.
Or? No, B.
B0 equals B open bracket 0. Now, okay, let's see the country data frame again. Destination. Scroll right. It's gonna be on the right side.
Yeah.
Yes. Now put the other one also.
Okay.
Oh, you have two date.
Hmm?
You have two date.
Oh.
Careful. Too bad we accidentally replaced the
It's
original data.
mm,
Okay, can you fix that? So go back several steps. I think we're gonna load from the beginning, Arian. Load the data from the
so
beginning.
yes.
Yeah, and careful not to run the previous code that you just accidentally replaced the data.
Mm, Changer. Just
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Now check the entire data type.
Hmm?
Check the entire data type.
What do you mean check?
Info.
The
The data type. Yes. The info. No. Okay. So how about year, month, and date one? Is that
object.
object? Nah, because that's object. Can you find the maximum number of them? I don't know. Let's see if it
I
works or
don't
not.
think so.
Yeah, but let's see if it works or not. Or using describe like I described.
Right.
Oh, it worked.
No,
No.
it's not.
Okay. Only take the column, the last column. Try year column.
Yeah.
Nah. Okay. Or is that the right way to do that?
Maybe.
Country, vaccinated, year.
Describe.
Yeah. So take the column first and then
Oh.
use describe.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Can you see? It's not what we want, right?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be show us the calculation of the statistic calculation, but turned out it's see this as a text. Okay, so you
Yes.
see that unique to top this one, frag, I don't know this one. Yeah. Now, so in this case, that means we have to change the data into numerical database, into numerical data or integer, right?
Yeah.
Now, okay, new cell, to turn one column, okay, to turn one column into a new data type. Okay, so we start with pd dot to date, to numeric, nah. Open bracket and put the column name.
This is a column.
I mean with, yes, with the data frame. Okay, you can see the data type here, this one, integer 94. Okay, so is it has been saved to the main data frame? Not yet, right?
Let's see.
Nah. So you got to replace the date where it's string to the new one, which is the numeric.
This.
Yeah. But you can do that. But you can do that in one step too. Nah, just copy this and put it here. Copy country fax year and put it here. It automatically replace the last data. Nah. Yes. Nah, check the info again. Okay, continue with the other. No, okay. Now date. Okay. This one. We're gonna, okay, the second column. The date. The date column.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna change this. We're gonna change that to date time.
This one.
Yeah, the one. This one's supposed to be on date time. Almost the same way with this. Uh-huh. Yeah. I thought you were gonna do something. No, still the same. pd dot to not to numeric, to date time. Nah, okay, I will have to show you something to prevent you from confusing in the future. You can stop share. Yeah. There are two ways to replace the data type. Okay, let's see this. mydf.info. So we're gonna do something with this. Yeah, we're gonna do something with this. So student weight, I'm gonna change that. mydf student weight. Oops. Okay, and this is what we done earlier. pd dot to let's see, to no, okay, to numeric, right? To numeric. Oh, from text to numeric. See the gender. No, but sometimes we cannot find how to make this as a string, right? Nah, so it's also, you can do this as type and string str. Okay, so it show the string now. Okay, now but okay, let's say my df student wait. Okay, let's see my df info. Now it turned into an object now. Okay. All right. Is that clear enough, Rian?
Can I see it again?
This
So
one
just make it S type.
as type, and you can also make it as integer again, just like this. So there are two ways to do that. Yeah. Using data frame name dot s type, and then let's say integer, or using pandas dot to numeric. Now, but with this one it's quite limited, as you can see that we cannot change this to data string. Yeah, we can only use to numeric and to that date time. And we pass the column or series, we call it series area. The column inside the data frame is a series. Now, okay, that's the only thing that I would like to show. Okay, you can share screen again. Nah. Let's try. No. This one date type, right? Date time. Yes, try that. Unfortunately, I'm not sure that time can use this method. Now, in that case, we're gonna use the first way to do that. No, okay. And show me the entire main data frame again. Okay, is that updated?
Yeah.
Okay.
So?
Nah. Okay. For heating up, plotting the data, let's see. Scroll down. Now, let's plot line plot. Yeah, line plot. The x-axis is the year. Yes, the x-axis is the year, and the y-axis is the daily, what is it?
Vaccinations.
Daily vaccinations, yes. How about date one?
Things together.
Oh, so this one I think better using no, we're gonna use Seaborn, but I think we're gonna use that later, right? Okay. So I think we're gonna continue later, Rian.
Okay.
Seaborn. Now in that case, if you want to plot per year, that means you have to group it again, right? Group, and then you get either the total number or the sum, the average maybe, or the standard deviation and other calculation, other statistical calculation. But using Seaborn, you can just plot it, or we can try maybe SNS dot rel plot data. No, data equals to the name of data frame. Yes, comma x equal to date. I know year.
Date?
Year. Y equals to
Daily.
same daily vaccinations. Whew.
I think the date.
I did.
That's
No,
the
only
same as
use date, not date one.
date.
Date. Yes.
Date, it's
Yeah,
the
date.
whole thing, right?
Using line. So that means
What is it called?
kind
Ideal.
equals to line with string again. Yeah. Okay. We can see that the data is increasing over time, right?
Yeah.
All right. So that's just an it hit up. We can continue that tomorrow. Is there any question?
No.
Okay. So thank you so much, Rian. You can stop sharing. Okay, I think that's all for today class. Have a great day, Rian. See you later.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Time. Bye.